Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty with a mix of science, style, and honesty. Today, we're getting up close with the Tarte Tarteist PRO Cruelty-Free Lashes in the shade Wifey. These are full-size, flirty lashes designed to give bold volume, crafted from cotton and completely cruelty-free. Right out of the box, these lashes feel soft yet structured, which is essential for achieving that dramatic, fluttery look without sacrificing comfort. They're designed to be full and voluminous, perfect for when you want your eyes to pop, whether it's a night out or a bold daytime statement. I tried incorporating them into my routine over several wearings. Application was straightforward, with the flexible cotton band adapting nicely to the natural curve of my lash line. They hold a curl beautifully and maintain volume without clumping, which is always a big win in my book. In terms of comfort, I barely noticed them after the first few minutes, which makes long wear totally doable. One thing to note is that the adhesive you use matters. A high-quality lash glue will maximize both hold and comfort. What I love is the balance of drama and subtlety. These aren't overly heavy, but they deliver a noticeable, flirty volume that lifts your look instantly. On the flip side, if you're looking for a super natural or barely there style, these might feel a bit bold. When it comes to value, Tarte lashes sit at a mid to high price point. Considering the quality of the cotton, cruelty-free sourcing, and the professional level finish, they feel justified, especially if you're someone who frequently wears lashes. Compared to other full volume lashes on the market, Tarte really nails a lightweight feel without sacrificing fullness. You can get similar volume with some lower priced options, but the durability and softness of these lashes really set them apart. The build quality is excellent. These lashes retain their shape over multiple wears, and the packaging is sleek and protective, which is always a plus. Tarte has a strong reputation for cruelty-free products, so even without direct interaction with customer support, you can feel confident in the brand's ethical standards. If you're looking for alternatives on a budget, there are other cruelty-free, full-volume cotton lashes that perform well, but they often don't match the same balance of comfort and dramatic lift as the Tarteist PRO line. Overall, these lashes are a standout for anyone craving bold, flirty eyes. They combine comfort, volume, and ethical production in a way that's hard to beat. If you love making a statement with your eyes, these are definitely worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to grab these lashes in the comments or description box. If you've tried Wifey yourself, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how they worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.